Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial we'll be drafting a simple princess dart. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. I really appreciate you stopping by. Please subscribe, share and refer to your friends. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section down below. So let's get the work started. Here is the fabric that I'll be using to draft my simple princess dart pattern. So I'm going to draw our bust point, under bust point, my waist and the full length of my fabric. So now let's go down. My first point is my bust point. All right, the first line here is my shoulder line. So from my shoulder line to my bust point is 9.5. I'm going to mark it 9.5. My under bust is 12.5. Going to mark it. Then my waist is 15. All right, my chest line is 8.5. Okay, I got 7.5. I added 1.5 to it and I got 8.5. All right, so now guys, let me draw the straight line to root out my lines. My bust point, my under bust, my waist point, so this is it guys. This is how it looks like. Okay, so guys, let's measure our shoulder to connect to our armhole. All right, so my shoulder is 16 divided by 2 is 8. So I'm going to place the tip of my tape here. I'm going to measure out 8 inches just for my shoulder. I'm going to rule it out with a straight line. I've ruled out with a straight line. Okay, so guys, my neckline, I'll be going in by 4 inches for my neckline, and I'll be going down by 3 inches for my depth, and I'll connect them together now guys. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to go down by ½ inch to slant down for my shoulder. All right, you can use 1 inch. Anything that is good for you is okay, but let it not exceed 1 inch. All right, so this is it guys. So I'm going to make a curve in order to connect. So I'm connecting now. So guys, let's measure our nipple to nipple measurement. My nipple to nipple measurement is 8, which is my bust span. When I divide it by 2, I got 4. So I'm going to mark it from here. All right, I'm going to mark it and make a straight line. All right, so I'm marking 4 inches here. I place the tip of my tape at the center front. All right, remember the folded part is your center front, this is your side front. So I've made my mark. I'm going to go up with a straight line. So guys, go down by 3 inches from your armhole length. All right, so let's measure out 3 inches from my armhole length. This is my 3 inches. I'm going to connect it now with this line. All right, so this is it guys. I've connected it to this straight line. Please make sure that your hand is straight. Okay, I've connected mine. So after connecting it now, the next thing we are going to do is to make our armhole curve. All right, so let's now make our armhole curve. Today I'll be free sketching. So this is my armhole curve. This is it guys. So now we are now going to do something. From these 3 inches that I drew this line, I joined this line together with, I'm going to go out by 1 inch. All right, when I go out by 1 inch, I'm going to mark it, then connect it with this line. After connecting it with this line, and I'm going to connect it to this armhole curve. All right, the reason why we are doing it, we are doing this thing is because we are going to fix so many issues we used to have issues whenever we are cutting this princess dye. So we are now using this method in order to fix that problem. So I am connecting. So this is how we connect it to fix the problem of the inequalities while stitching them. All right. So now let's take our measurement. My bust measurement is 36 inches. 36 inches divided by 4. It gave me 9. This is my 9. All right. I'll mark my 9 plus my 1 inch for my stitching allowance, which is 10. You can add 1.5. You can add 2. Whatever that is good for you. All right. And this is my bust, my under bust, my waist, and the full length. So I'm not going to measure for the under bust. I'll be going down for my waist, which is 8 inches. I'll mark, add 1 inch for my stitching allowance, which is 9. Right? I'm now going to connect them together. I'm going to come out here because this is the length of my princess that this is the length I want it to be. You can make yours longer, you can make it in a gown, you can make it in a top as well. So guys, this is it. We are now going to cut out now, okay? Guys, let's start cutting out. So this is what it's basically going to look like. All right, please be careful not to make mistake while cutting. So guys, this is how our princess that is going to look like. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel, refer and share to your friends. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section down below. So I'm hoping to see you guys later. Bye.